freedom but never used violence.
How can you fight without violence?
If someone shouts at you and you shout back, what happens?
Maybe they start fighting.
Exactly, but if you stay calm and speak kindly instead, what do you think might happen?
Maybe they stop shouting.
That is the power of peace. I led peace marches. That's how we gained independence.
No fighting at all. I don't think so. Non-violence helps today.
At all the times it's the best practice. It takes some time, but it works. We got our independence, didn't we?
Gandhi taught the world that peace begins with the courage to be kind, even though others are not.
Be the change you wish to see in the world. Thank you.
Who had similar thoughts as mine and help the poor, the sick, and the lonely.
How can we help with peace?
Smile at someone who feels alone. Share with a friend. Help someone in need.
Mother Teresa believed in serving others with a loving heart.
If you want peace, go home and love your family. Thank you. Some men came onto my school bus and shot me, but I didn't give up. But I survived. I didn't give up. I started a Malala Fund to help girls everywhere go to school because I believe that education is not a gift, it's a right.
Malala teaches us that even young people can stand up for peace and justice.
One child, one teacher, one book and one pen can change the world. Thank you. But I believe love is stronger than hate.
Martin Luther King Jr. showed us that our words can be more powerful when we use it with love.
Darkness cannot drive out darkness. Only light can do that. Thank you. Every day. We may have different paths, but we